Hey guys, so today I am making a video for my Lego Sledgehammer sawed-off shotgun. And I made this about a week ago, and I haven't been able to do a video for it, so I'm doing it now while I have the time. So here's the barrel. It's actually pretty thick. It is 6 studs thick, and then I don't know how many studs long it is, but it's pretty long. And this is an energy blaster, pretty much. I don't know what to call it exactly, but it shoots pulse, pretty much pulses, just like it fires pulse rounds, just like the TOC 19. And right here, it looks normal, but it is actually the lid to cover the plasma pack, or whatever you want to call it. And this is where it goes, right here. And this holds 8 rounds, so that means it could shoot 8 times and then reload after 8 shots. And I have a small stock, but you can still put your cheek right here and then look down the sights. Also, these are the sights. And here's the trigger. It's just a simple trigger. Not much, I just used 2 triangle pieces like this, stuck them together, and put them right here. And this is a sawed-off shotgun, as you guys know, so it deals more damage since it has a wider spread. And these little circle pieces are mainly here, so that the spread is even bigger, because instead of it being flat, like right on the side, it's all flat. Excuse me. If it was flat, it wouldn't have as big as blast. So those pieces are mainly there to enlarge the blast, to make it bigger. That hand reenactment thing, the jig, was kind of dumb, but yeah. Anyway, at first this was gonna be a shotgun that can go like this, and then you can like put the shells in, flip it up, but then it kind of messed up, so I just tried a whole bunch of ideas, and I got this one to work. I think this one's pretty cool. So yeah. On to the stats. The stats for this gun are... Sorry. The stats for this gun are the damage, 16, accuracy, 11, fire rate, 10, range, 6, handling, 12, mobility, 13, capacity, 8. And the reason why I called it Sledgehammer is because I think that was it's a pretty cool name for a shotgun like this. And Sledge would pretty much stand for sawed off, and hammer would stand for shotgun, but Sledgehammer is just, I think, a really good name for this gun. And I know there's also a TOC 19 variant called the Sledgehammer, but I thought about naming a gun Sledgehammer itself, and I maybe will have a variant for this, a custom variant, since this is a custom weapon. I have like 2 or 3 custom weapons now. for Advanced Warfare. But anyway, this gun, it takes 4.6 seconds to reload. So 1, 2. Okay, so that wasn't the real thing, because that wasn't very realistic at all. All I did was go like this. That's all I did. Anyway, like, pretend this is my last shot though. 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys probably didn't hear me, but you guys probably did. I don't know. I was counting as I was reloading, and I was right. It still takes 4.6 seconds to reload. So, kind of slow reloading, but kind of fast at the same time, because most shotguns take longer to reload. Like the Bulldog takes maybe like 6 seconds to reload, and then the TAC-19 takes like 10 seconds, and S12 takes like, I don't know, 5 seconds. Anyway. So, I have a comparison. My paper doesn't want to stay, but anyway. I have a comparison for this gun compared to the TAC-19, because they're very alike, just not the body. Anyway, the TAC-19 accuracy is 6. The Sledgehammer accuracy is 11. The TAC-19 fire rate is 5, but the Sledgehammer's fire rate is 10, because it's not a pump action, it's a semi-automatic. So the TAC-19 range is 4, and the Sledgehammer range is 6. If this wasn't sawed off, it'd be 1 less damage, 2 more range, 2 less mobility, 1 less handling, and 1 plus accuracy. And the damage will stay the same, I think. I'm not sure. No, I said it was -1, didn't I? Yeah. Pretty sure I said it was -1. Anyway, next is the handling. TAC-19 handling, 13. Sledgehammer handling, 12. TAC-19 mobility, 16. Sledgehammer mobility, 13. TAC-19 capacity, 6. Sledgehammer capacity, 8. So, as you could tell, these guns are very alike. And if this gun were in Advanced Warfare, I would definitely choose it over the TAC-19. And one more thing before I end the video. I'm going to start making Minecraft sort of guns. It looks like Minecraft, it's actually survival craft. But anyway, right now I'm making the ASM1, so I'll take some pictures of that, put it in a slideshow, post it on here for you guys to see. And so far it's going pretty good, so I hope you guys will like it once it's done. And comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time.